just a fantastic crowd. It's the biggest and the best show in Wales. You know, this one and the Cardiff show, absolutely fantastic. There's a big buzz around it. It's great to have so many schools from Wales come into one place and basically being able to see everything that's on offer to them.
The National Education Show is great because we have a presence here. Schools are getting more and more familiar with our brand and our name. And the great thing about being here is that they can actually see what we're about. They can see what we provide, see what we offer, and see what solutions we can offer their schools.
Came last year, just a couple of us. Really amazing experience, met loads of schools. And so this year we got the whole staffing team here. And obviously a bigger stall this year because the impact last year that we had and the follow-on business that we had with schools was amazing. So really good opportunity to meet so many schools in such a wide region really at the same time.
You have so many amazing delegates, high quality leads. They are incredible.
It was a phenomenal day for me. This is my first year here in this show, but it won't be last, I'm sure of it. Phenomenal interest from all our customers and prospects, very valuable conversations.
Really good atmosphere, really inspirational people that we've met, meeting lots of schools, been really busy all day, but yeah, I'd definitely say get down to the education show.
This is our first visit to the National Education Show. We've loved it so far. It's been really amazing, the amount of people who've come by, the amount of people who want to meet us, talk to us about our curriculum for Wales alignment. We're so excited to be here. We'll definitely be back. We'll be in Cardiff. We love it.
It just validated to me the importance of being in the region and talking to people in person, connecting them on that personal level. It means the world to us and to our customers as well. It was fabulous. I cannot recommend it enough.